Hello guys, it is I, Zapka, and today I will show you 5 coding styles. Let's start. Number 1 is the normal programmer. They just do whatever they want and they do it correctly. Here's an example. Okay, I need a program that combines two numbers. Let's do this program will combine two numbers. Int A equals 0. Int b equals 0, console.write line, int a, no sorry, a plus b dot toString, just in case. Okay, that was quite good. Number 2 is the over commenter. These guys just comment everything. Let's see an example. Now let's start coding. Okay, I think people will understand my code now. Let's actually write it. Yay. Number 3 is the efficient coder. I like this one. Okay, let's do this. This will be quite easy. Done. Number 4 is the library guy. The amounts of libraries this guy imports is unbelievable. Okay, we need a program that adds two numbers and displays it. Let's start. Okay, time to actually write the program. Done. Number 5, and the most wretched, cursed, the worst of them all. It's the Yandere Dev.